Let's see the last part of the social question paper, part 4. It carries 16 marks. 2 questions will be given, 43rd and the 44th one. And in 43rd, you have caption type question. One heading, and based on which 4 questions will be given, each will carry 1 mark. Here how you will choose is, they will have given 43 A, B, C and D. You are supposed to choose either A or B or C or D. So you cannot mix an A and C or B or D. It cannot be done. And look into this carefully. We have seen it many times. A and B are C and D. So write the caption. When the caption question how to present, you write question number 43, write A and what the heading is given. Whatever it is given, that heading you write. Only from history you will be asked, and that heading and all the answers, no questions. And no need to waste your time by writing all the questions. 43, if you are choosing A first, you write A. If it is A or B only, it can be. Or C, if you have chosen, definitely next will be D. Nothing will be changing. So A, heading, and A, B, C, D answers as in order, however the question is asked. And once again, you remember, like you have distinguished, they would have changed the order of the question. You would have studied like in order. And the same may be, or they would have changed the question order also. So read the question, answer accordingly. So 2 you have to choose, and 8 questions totally. 2 headings, 8 questions. So 8 marks, 2 4s are 8. And the last one is either India or Tamil Nadu outline will be given. 8 places will be given, no choice for that. If you have chosen the India map, all the 8 places from India. If you have chosen if you are going to choose Tamil Nadu, and all 8 places only from Tamil Nadu map. The other map will remain empty. Nothing will be touched over there. As I said clearly, no extra map is going to be given. It is printed in your answer book. So handle it with care. Use a proper pencil. Don't overwrite. Don't rub often. Decide mentally first. Think in your mind whether all the 8 from India or all the 8 from Tamil Nadu, which you can attempt. Then make an attempt. After writing few here and over, don't jump onto the next one. Kindly don't do all these things. So if you do it, and repeatedly we have done many marks, and I have given few page numbers. So what are the marks from which page number, which volume we have given, and that you can refer and you can go with it. And so that's the end of the question pattern. And now we'll see few important page numbers. And the timeline, as far as the timeline is concerned, though it looks only 1 page from 83, entire 5 lessons timelines are given there. It is printed out at the end of the history part. And apart from that, there in the same page you have stuck 2 papers to combine both the volumes. From the first volume, we are given here 18, 33, 48 and 66 timelines are given. But we made everything in 33 pages. We brought about all these incidents, we brought it to the empty space of 33 and we have written in our book. So when you turn on to 33, entire volume 1 history timeline will be there. Even if you have missed it, when you come to volume 2, page number 83, handwritten papers you would have stuck. It is there in volume 83. So that you can revise once. When you go through that, your timeline 5 mark is pakka. And remember timeline, most of the time they ask for about 20 years, like 1900 to 1920 or 1920 to 40 or 30 to 50. If 30 to 50 comes, and that is the easiest, but even 20 to 40 also, we can just like that. Remember, first, second and third round table conferences, it starts from 1 to 3, but here it is 0, 1 to 1930, 1931 and 32. So don't confuse, that you can go with the timeline. So these pages we are thorough. Whatever is practice, 5 mark is yours. And when you look into the volume 2, word mark few pages are there. And when you take your volume 2, as we are concentrating more on Tamil Nadu, so only one it is there in 148, and it is the BRICS countries. So that it is given in 148. Even this we have practiced, you have it with you. And but from the volume 3, volume 1, we have got all these 3 pages. Revise it and stick whenever you revise. Maybe nth time you will be revising. Though it is going to be nth time, refer your book. Don't look into the map but your practice. And inch by inch, if you have moved, the place may go wrong. So whenever you wanted to revise, whenever you wanted to look into it, take your atlas or your textbook. Textbook is your key. So just depend on your textbook and refer these page numbers and you can revise it there. Now we'll see important India maps page numbers. From volume 1, you'll have it is all from mostly from the geography side. Look into page number 84 and when you, as far as India map is concerned, we would have concentrated on these 3 pages. The remaining page numbers we would have marked here. Look into it, whatever hints it is written, page number 84 and 86 will be filled with the hints. So apart from these page numbers, if you concentrate more on these two, entire portion will be covered, map portion will be covered. 84, when you look into 84, generally you will get into the idea of political division, which state, which is the capital, where are the union territories and what are our neighboring countries. Then the physical division, as you have coastal plains, islands, mountain, and then the northern plains and the Deccan Plateau and everything, we have in page number 86. All Indian rivers are given in 94. Wind, the northeast and southwest winds are given in 103. Vegetation, they may ask you whether the vegetation or forest. It is given in 104. Wildlife sanctuaries in 106. Biosphere reserves in 107, soil of India, and we would have compared volume 1 and 2. Volume 2, soil of Tamil Nadu, volume 1, soil of India. Both, when you revise both together. So it's easy for you to remember. Multi-purpose river valley project. It's there in 170. So whatever the extra work is done apart from the fishing. So all that you can write in from, you can learn from 117, 40. Wind energy, solar energy, thermal and everything is given in 140. And 143 and 146 industries are given. Whether it is iron and steel industry, cotton industry, textile industry, or it is software, whatever it is, it's all from these 2 pages. When you move on to volume 2, there are very less word map and you can go through it. Now let's see, the last question is Tamil Nadu or India outline for 8 places, 8 months it will be given 8 places. For that, the few important page numbers are given. When I say important, you give little more importance to this. It's not that you have to omit the remaining pages, but you concentrate more, a little more attention than the other pages. When you take volume is fully India, so we don't have much, nothing about Tamil Nadu. So we are fully depending on volume 2. And whenever you do this, geography side, that is starting from 87, 91, 93 and 95, these pages, when you take 87, Tamil Nadu political, move on to volume 1, keep that book also open, see what are the political division, how many states, where is it, here how many districts, till last, what are the districts have been split into 2. All you keep in mind, we all have written with the date in the book. When you go to the map side, you will know it. Physical division, there what are the physical division? In country wise, here state wise, what is the physical division? So that is compare and learn, that's the best way to remember. So keep both the volume. When you do India political, keep your Tamil Nadu political also open. Same way when you do physical from India, physical division, keep your Tamil Nadu division also. Same way the river, the soil, the transport and everything and the industries, everything you just compare and do whatever it is there. And how far it is here in my state, house in my country and house in my state. So compare and do, that is the best way to remember your map. And as far as your social is concerned, as I repeated, leaving out your 33 to 40 questions, remaining all 80 is in your packet. Only thing is, you should have your positive idea. If you believe you can, and you will definitely can. So give more attention to the map that carries 8 marks here, 5 marks, 12 marks, and then it is 13 above. And then 5 timeline, 18. Many a time you see, minimum 52 is definitely yours. Plus your 20 marks from the 2 marks. So nobody will score less than 70. That is very damn sure. If you wanted to go score the centum, that 33 to 40 question also, if you give little more importance, if you give a little more effort, put your effort definitely the benefit or the fruit will be yours. And I believe you all will do it. All the best for your exam, children. And the thing is, as the situation needs, we need you people to stay healthy, stay happy and comfortable, have a positive mind, do little bit of breathing exercises. Every day whenever you do, listen to the words of your elders. Early studies, early to bed and early to rise. As it is a holiday, don't sit till the late night. Get up early, finish up your revisions and do little bit of exercises as you people are not coming out of your houses. Do little exercises, your physical and mental exercises. Breathing exercises is more important. Have apt time, apt food at apt time. So with all this, by the grace of God, you will do the Paka. All the best.